Okay guys, so now that I've got the backhoe taken off, I'm gonna go ahead and put the box scraper on, and then we're really gonna start working that swale. So check this out on how you hook up your box scraper. Okay guys, so to put your box scraper on, after you take your backhoe off, you've got your bottom legs here that you've got to get off. Normally you wouldn't need pliers, but I've lost one of my cotter pins, so I've got to use this, which makes it a little bit more of a pain, but it is what it is. Alright, so then we'll pull this out of our way. And just go ahead and set that stuff on the backhoe so I know where it is. And then your non-adjustable is going to go on this side. Put your washer and your pin back on. And your adjustable leg is going to go on this side. And you've got two different mounting hole options. I always put it on the lower one. And then go ahead and put your pin back in to hold everything in place. Alright, then you've got your top link. Drop this down a little. Alright, so now we can back up onto our box blade. Box blade is on. Some people call it a yard box scraper, but box blade's what I've always called it. All right, so I usually have this set up level for doing my driveway, but for a swale you're going to want to take and drop one side or the other side depending on which direction you want to angle this. So to do that, you're going to loosen this jam nut, and then you're going to tighten this to raise this side up, or lower it, loosen it rather, to lower this side down, and that'll change your tilt on your box blade. So I'm going to go ahead and do that so we can start reworking this swale. Okay, so I've raised this side 4 full turns, so you can see now that the left side of the blade is significantly lower than the right side. So now we can go work on that swale.